My dear boys and girls, good morning all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, welcome back to my class. Sorry for a bit delay. So it takes some time to set up the class, at least for 5 minutes to admit all the participants and to make sure that everybody is joined here. So at least 5 to 10 minutes is going for setting up all these things. However, let us try to make use of the stipulated time for discussing much more information. Okay, so right now there are 70 participants. Ranjit sir, are you there? Ranjit sir, Mr. Sairam,
Yes, sir.
is Ranjit
Yes, sir.
sir joined? Is Ranjit sir joined?
Wait, sir.
Please make sure. Sari joined, and please make sure you record the attendance.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, Sar has not joined, sir.
Sir will be joining soon. I requested him to join.
Okay, sir.
He will join.
Okay, sir.
So as of now, there are 78 participants. So let us get started with today's class. So in the last class, in the first video lecture, we have seen overview of professional ethics and human values. As I told you, it is a non-core subject. Perhaps it is more important subject for the human being. Okay. And in the last class, we have seen syllabus. Okay. And course objectives, course outcomes. What are all the objectives and outcomes of the course? Course in the sense, in the context of NBA, course in the sense a subject. Program means department, branch. You must realize that course is a subject, program is a branch. Okay. And as you all know, during last semesters, as part of NBA, every institute, every department have their own vision and mission. Okay, so you must be able to know the vision and mission of our department, our branch, your branch, in other words. Okay. So in today's class, let us continue the presentation where we have stopped in the last class, from where we have stopped in the last class. Okay, so let me share my screen. Just a moment. Is my screen visible? All of you?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So this is how I begin with my presentation. So professional ethics and human values for the academic year 2021 first semester. I welcome back all of you to third year first semester. So let us begin with today's code. Be eco-friendly, don't be ego-friendly. Okay, so let us not give space for ego in our lives. Okay, let us all try to be eco-friendly. అంటే అందరితో సామరస్యంగా ఉండాలి, అందరినీ కలుపుకొని పోవాలి, అంతేగాని ఎగోని అంటాం. Okay, so let us not give chance for egoni. That's the moral of this code. Okay. What I rightly mentioned, create some disturbance. Next slide. So you have been already following the instructions designed by the department, designed by HOD sir. However, let me just touch upon some of the instructions to be strictly
Sir,
followed by. Sir, tell me.
స్క్రీన్ విజిబుల్ లేదనుకుంటా, ఒకసారి అడగండి స్టూడెంట్స్. నాకైతే కనపడట్లేదు స్లైడ్స్.
I have verified
Yes,
with
sir,
students, sir. I have checked with
Yes,
students, sir.
కనిపించట్లేదు సార్ స్క్రీన్.
లేదు సార్, కొంతమందికి కనిపించట్లేదు అయితే.
కనబడట్లేదా? Okay, 1 second. What should I do?
స్టార్టెడ్ స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ అని వస్తుంది సార్, అంతే.
స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేశాను, విజిబుల్ కూడా ఉంది సార్. నేను చెక్ చేశాను ఆల్రెడీ పిల్లలతో. మరి అంటే మొబైల్ ఫోన్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి ఏమన్నా
అలా
విజిబిలిటీ
ఉండదండి.
లేదేమో.
ఒకసారి మళ్ళొకసారి స్టాప్
Reshare.
షేరింగ్ పెట్టి మళ్ళీ స్టార్ట్ షేరింగ్ పెట్టండి.
రీషేర్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రిఫ్రెష్ చేయనా? షూర్
యా షేరింగ్ మళ్ళీ స్టాప్ చేసి మళ్ళీ షేర్ చేయండి ఒకసారి చూద్దాం.
షూర్, జస్ట్ ఏ మూమెంట్ సార్. Is it okay now?
స్టిల్ ఏమంటాం, లైక్ బఫరింగ్ లాగా అన్నమాట. ఇంకా లేదు.
So I need more expertise from you. What can I do, sir, right now? But I make sure that it is visible to me and to the students even.
స్టార్టెడ్ స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ అని వస్తుంది సార్.
I have already started, amma. Your screen sharing is paused అని వచ్చిందండి. Paused అని వచ్చింది సార్.
ప్రాబ్లం సార్.
ఏంటమ్మా? Ranjit sir, can't you do anything for this? Can't you resolve the issue from your side?
లేదు సార్, లేదండి. ఒక్క నిమిషం, మీరు హోస్ట్ కదా.
Okay.
నేనేం చేయలేను.
So you take me. You be a host rather than me.
యా, అది కూడా మీ చేతిలోనే ఉంటుంది. కాదు సార్, ప్రెజెంటేషన్ నా దగ్గర లేదు కదా. మీ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ నా దగ్గర ఉంటే ఏమైనా చేయొచ్చేమో.
Okay, anyway, let me dictate whatever is being visible here. Am I right? Shall I do that? However, the same PPT is going to be shared in the group. Tell me, sir.
మీ ఇష్టం, వాళ్ళు కంఫర్టబుల్ ఉంటే ఓకే. అట్లీస్ట్ వాళ్ళకి షేర్ చేస్తే పీపీటీ వాళ్ళు ఓపెన్ చేసుకుంటారు. మీరు వాళ్ళకి షేర్ చేస్తే గ్రూప్ లోనో ఏమైనా వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లో షేర్ చేస్తే ఆ పీపీటీ వాళ్ళు ఓపెన్ చేసి పెట్టుకుంటారు. మీరు వెళ్ళొచ్చు, మూవ్ అవ్వచ్చు.
Okay, that is what I can do right now. Just a moment. Please wait. Please wait, I am sharing my PPT in the group. Yeah, it is shared, sir.
Ask them to open, sir.
So all of you, please check your group. My PPT is shared. So you go through my PPT and simultaneously you listen to my lecture. Okay. Am I visible?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, it is not being maximized, sir. Window.
ఓకే, మీరు వాయిస్ వాళ్ళు పీపీటీ ఓపెన్ చేసుకొని చేశారేమో కనుక్కోండి, మీరు ఆడియో కంటిన్యూ చేయండి పర్లేదు.
PPT కూడా ఓపెన్ అవ్వట్లేదు నాకు. స్క్రీన్ కనిపించట్లేదు. 1 సెకండ్. పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ విండో ఉంటుంది కదా సార్, స్క్రీన్ PPT ఉన్నది. దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ విజిబుల్. ఇట్ ఈస్ సమ్వేర్ హిడెన్.
అయితే
కాదు, ఇప్పుడు యాక్చువల్గా మనం
మళ్ళీ అయితే మీరు అదే మీకు ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది, స్టార్టెడ్ స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ అని అంటుంది. మీరు స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ ఆపేయండి.
యువర్ స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ ఇస్ పాస్డ్ అని వచ్చింది సార్.
మీరు అసలు స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ స్టాప్ చేసి మీరు ఆల్రెడీ జనరల్ గా పీపీటీ ఓపెన్ చేసి చెప్పేయండి. వాళ్ళకి ఆల్రెడీ ఓపెన్ చేశారో లేదో కనుక్కోండి పీపీటీ.
ఓకే,
స్టూడెంట్స్ ని ఓపెన్ చేయమన్నాను, సరిపోదు.
ఓకే.
మళ్ళీ మీరు స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ పెట్టారు.
I think it is visible to all of you now. No. Okay, let me go ahead because time is running off. Ranjit sir.
ఓకే సార్, క్యారీ ఆన్.
Okay, so as you know, there are some instructions to be followed while you are going through virtual classes. So make sure all of you are adapted to online teaching strategies. Make sure everyone is having stable internet connectivity and join class with your roll numbers. Mute your audio while listening to avoid noise. Attend online classes as if you are attending the physical classes. మీరు కాలేజీలో క్లాస్ రూమ్లో ఎలా కూర్చున్నారో ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్లో కూడా మేక్ షూర్ యు ఆర్ సిట్టింగ్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ మేనర్. Make a note of queries during lecture or raise your hand in the chat box and get clarified at the end of the lecture. Last one, chit-chatting shall not be entertained in the chat box. So make sure you do follow all these instructions. Next, I have already told you, no lectures. It has only tutorials, no practicals, and there are no credits. And course objectives I have already discussed in the last class. Course outcomes also. Okay. And syllabus, as I told you, there are 6 units: human values, principles for harmony, engineering ethics and social experimentation, engineers' responsibilities towards safety and risk, engineers' duties and rights, and global issues. So out of these 6 units, if you see reference books, In fact, the first book is the outstanding book for this particular course, Professional Ethics by R. Subramaniam. This is what we are going to follow, myself and Srinivas sir, who is taking the same subject for other section. We are being followed by this textbook, and it contains only 5 units. It doesn't have second unit by name Harmony. Okay, so for that particular unit, we need to follow some other textbook. That is what we will let you know very soon. Okay, so these are the reference books. Whichever you wish to follow, it is up to you, right? And here you can see a tree, an ethics tree, a tree of values and ethics. This is the outcome. You must, every one of you must realize that it should be the outcome of this subject. Okay, so many books you are going to follow, many subjects, education, as part of education, professional education. You have been going through textbooks, you are going to follow the textbooks, many textbooks, despite of ethics, morals and values and other things. Ultimately, end of the day, you must end up these fruits in your life. Okay, beautiful apples, red apples, with all these values like commitment, integrity, honesty, excellence, professionalism. Okay, so this is how you are going to lead your fruitful life, ethical life, moral life in this society. Okay, so on the other hand, there may be other tree like fruitless tree. It would have no fruits. It would contain only, non-living things. It doesn't live. It would be a dying tree. Okay. So there are two sides. Whichever tree you want to select, it is up to you. Okay. So agatnuntava, igattukostava. You have to choose. Right? ముళ్ళ చెట్టు ఉంది ఒక పక్కన, ఇంకొక పక్క మంచి చెట్టు ఉంది, మంచి ఫలాలు ఇచ్చే చెట్టు ఉంది. Right? So I appeal all of you to choose the first one. Okay, fruitful tree, fruitful life, ethical life, moral life, valuable life. Okay. Next, these are the 3 key points, key words in this subject you are going to come across. EVM, let us say EVM, ethics, values and morals. Okay, so ethics and morals are almost equivalent to one another. అంటే రెండింటిని తెలుగులో ఏమంటాం అంటే నీతి అంటాం. Ethics is called as నీతి, morals is also called as నీతి. Values, విలువలు, సమాజంలో మనకు ఉండాల్సిన విలువలు, మన కోసం మనం పాటించాల్సిన విలువలు. ఓకే, సో ఇలాంటి వాల్యూస్ అన్ని కూడా ఉన్నాయి. ఎథిక్స్, as I told you, it pertains to, it belongs to a person. ఒక వ్యక్తికి ఉండాల్సిన నీతి అనేది ఎథిక్స్. అలాగే సమాజంలో ఉండాల్సిన నీతి, సమాజానికి నువ్వు ఎలా ఉండాలి అనేది it is nothing but morals. Okay, but both are equivalent in definition, but they differ from the actions. Okay, so ethics, it has been derived from Greek word ethikos, meaning character. Okay, so your ethics reflects your character. So ethics are the rules that help us to tell the difference between right and wrong. What is right, what is wrong, so we can justify. Okay, when we have an ethics, right? Unless we have ethics, we don't know what is wrong, what is right. Right? So we must be able to realize that difference that is possible when we have ethics, right? And values are the fundamentals, are the basic beliefs that guide us So values guide us, values tell us, values drive us. Okay, right? And they help us make decisions. That is the important point here to be noticed. Decisions. What is the right decision? What is wrong decision? Okay. Under any circumstance, when we have values, we will be able to take the right decisions. Okay. So that is how values help us to take the decisions about what is right thing and what is wrong thing. Morals are derived from Latin word moralis, meaning manners. Ethics is nothing but character. మన వ్యక్తిగతానికి సంబంధించింది, మనకి సంబంధించింది క్యారెక్టర్, ఎథిక్స్. మొరాలిస్ మీనింగ్ మేనర్స్, అవుట్ సైడ్ వరల్డ్ మనం ఎట్లా కనిపిస్తున్నాం, మేనరిజం మనం కలిగి ఉన్నాం లేదా, హ్యుమానిటీ ఉందా లేదా మనలో. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఈస్ డెల్ట్ బై, డిస్క్రైబ్డ్ బై, characterized by morals, perhaps character. Okay, it means character also. Morals are rules we use to decide what is good or bad. So if you see the definition of both ethics and morals, almost they seem to be similar. However, they differ from the actions, as I rightly mentioned. Okay, next slide. So this triangle illustrates the relation between ethics, values, and morals. Okay, so these three important words, keywords, key points are the three angles of this triangle called as attitude. Okay, so these three principles together constitute our attitude. In other words, attitude includes ethics, values, and morals. Okay, so three sides must be united, three sides must be integrated. Okay, so it could be ethics, it could be values, it could be morals. Unless you have ethics, unless you have values, unless you have morals, okay, you have good attitude, right? So to be a good attitude, we have to follow the morals, we have to follow the values, we have to follow the ethics. All these three things must meet together, right? So as we all know, there is a saying, okay, attitude is the foundation of success, right? So unless you have good attitude, you can't be succeeded. Okay, so as a human beings, as a professional students, as faculty, we all must have a good attitude to be succeeded in our fruitful life, in our spiritual life, in our okay, career, right? So this is what is nothing but an overview of the subject. I have another PPT, second PPT, which talks about the first unit. Okay, so before I get into first unit, before I talk about first unit, let me touch upon some of the real life daily things what we are doing. Let me cross check with you whether all of you are doing, are you following these things. Okay, so today we have been suffering a lot from the disaster. As we all know, it is an accident, it is an unethical accident. So it has been okay, done due to unethics, right? So we don't know where exactly it has come from. Maybe somebody says China, somebody says Russia. Nobody knows exactly. Okay, however, this is, I believe that this is all happened due to unethical things, unethical experimentation. Okay, really 2020 is a disaster. Okay, right? So Vision 2020 has become Disaster 2020, right? So employers are suffering, employees are suffering, daily laborers are suffering, everybody is suffering due to this mishap, unexpected accident, mishap, mishap means mishappened, right? So there is no work, there is no pay. Most of the employees are suffering, right? There is no enough money, and there is lot more inconveniences we are experiencing today, which has been never come across in our lives, and which should not come across in our lives in the days to come, right? What you are doing under these circumstances, how you are making your role, are you helping your parents, girls, are you sharing with your mother, are you continuously watching TV, or are you helping your mom to wash or clean the things? Examine, introspect. Boys, are you sharing with your father's work? Are you going to the fields? Are you going outside to bring something? Examine. Okay. Are you waking up early on time? Are you doing physical exercise? Are you watching news? Are you reading newspaper? Are you trying to learn English? Right? Examine yourself. This is all required at this juncture. Are you helping needy? Are you trying to help your neighbors if you can? Right? This is what we have to do. And are you praying God daily morning? పూజ చేస్తున్నారా? ప్రేయర్ చేసుకుంటున్నారా? పొద్దున్నే లేచి 10 గంటలకు లేస్తున్నారా? లేకపోతే మార్నింగ్ లేచి టైంకి లేచి మీరు ప్రేయర్ చేసుకొని ఈ రోజు అంతా బాగుండాలి, అంతా మంచి జరగాలి, మళ్ళీ ఇలాంటి విపత్తు రావద్దని చెప్పేసి మీరు ప్రేయర్ చేసుకుంటున్నారా? ఎగ్జామిన్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. డైలీ చేయాల్సిన కార్యక్రమాలన్నీ మీరు టైం టు టైం చేస్తున్నారా లేదా? డిజార్డర్ వచ్చేసిందా లైఫ్లో? ఆర్ యూ డెవలపింగ్ ఇమ్యూనిటీ? ఆర్ యూ మేకింగ్ షూర్ దట్ ethics are being followed, morals are being followed? Examine, please examine. Okay, so let me get started with the first chapter. For the rest of the time, still we have 10 minutes. Are you watching TV? Are you watching news channels, NDTV channels? Are you able to try to listen to the English debates? Do this, please do this. Listen to very good speakers. Read the success stories. Keep on reading, keep on listening. You will be able to develop communication skills, right? So you do that, whether it may be right or wrong. Don't get hesitated. Unless you speak today, you cannot speak tomorrow, right? Unless you speak today, you cannot speak in the interviews. Maybe right or wrong. For example, let us take this particular sentence, a word, like I am sanctioned, I am sanctioned, I have sanctioned. There is a difference. You must be able to realize this difference. If you use I have sanctioned instead of I am sanctioned, that would be wrong convey. Okay, so this is very particular in conveying the information. Tense, vocabulary, grammar. Make sure you speak, you learn the tenses. Make sure you learn the English. Okay, right from today. That is possible only when you listen to the lectures, you listen to the debates, you listen to the news, English news, you read the articles, right? So hope you understand what I am saying. Hope you are clear. Okay. So let me go to the next presentation. First chapter. So chapter 1 deals with human values. Okay. I think this is not shared in the group because there is something to be removed from this PPT. That's the reason why I have not shared this PPT. As soon as I finish the class, I will be able to share this PPT even. Okay. So human values, there are in the beginning, as far as this content is concerned, human values, there are 10 objectives to be realized, every one of us, okay, as part of professional ethics and human values, right? So before I speak on 10 objectives, these are the 3 fundamental issues, okay, that one has to keep in mind, okay, on this course. So this is the objective of this course is to understand the moral values that ought to guide the engineering profession. So this guides us, moral values guide us in our profession, engineering profession. How does it do? What does it do? How does it do? This is what we must realize. Okay, after having had the course, we would be able to realize, we would be able to understand the role of the values, moral values. That is first objective. Second one, to resolve the moral issues. We would be able to resolve the issues once we have this particular course. Once we are thorough with this particular course, we will be able to resolve the moral issues, moral conflicts. What is right, what is wrong. Okay, when an issue come, moral issue come, ఒకడేమో అతనే దేవుడు అంటాడు, ఇంకొకడేమో ఈయనే దేవుడు అంటాడు. So like that, there may be many issues. We may have many issues in our life as part of morals. Okay, therefore we all will be able to take the right decision, okay, with moral values. To justify moral judgment, this is another concern in our profession. We must be able to be in a position to justify the issue, to give the correct judgment, okay, for the given issue, moral issue. Okay, పక్షపాతం ఉండకూడదు. ఓకే, ఉన్నది ఉన్నట్టు కరెక్ట్గా మనం జస్టిఫై చేయగలగాలి. అది ఎప్పుడు పాసిబుల్ అంటే కరెక్ట్గా మనకు మోరల్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడే ఇట్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్, రైట్? So these are the key objectives of this course. One is moral values, moral issues, and then moral judgment, right? And we can find many moral values. There are n number of moral values. However, 10 values are found to be universal values, as you can see here, okay, in this slide. 10 universal values are illustrated here. Okay, for example, love, peace, truth, wisdom, integrity, justice, coexistence, service, devotion, and contentment, right? So almost we all know the meaning of all these values. Love, we know, peace, shanti. Love ante prema, ప్రేమించడం, మనల్ని మనం ప్రేమించుకున్నట్టు ఎదుటి వారిని ప్రేమించడం. Love your fathers, love your neighbors, okay, love your friends, love your relatives. But boys never love a girl, and girls never love a boy. పీస్ అంటే శాంతి, అంటే మనం ఎక్కడుంటే అక్కడ శాంతి, అరే వీడుంటే చాలురా మనకంతా సెటరైట్ అవుతుంది అనే భావన కలగాలి. ఓకే, ఆ శాంతిని మనం క్రియేట్ చేయగలగాలి. ట్రూత్, నిజం మాట్లాడాలి. ఓకే, ఏదో సామెత ఉంది కదా, మంచి చెప్పకపోయినా పర్వాలేదు అబద్ధం చెప్పొద్దని. రెండు ఒకటే. నిజం చెప్పకపోయినా పర్వాలేదు అబద్ధం చెప్పొద్దు, రెండు ఒకటే. మంచి చేయకపోయినా పర్వాలేదు చెడు చేయొచ్చు, చెడు చేయొద్దు, రెండు ఒకటే. సో ఈ లౌక్యం మనం తెలుసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, సో వీ మస్ట్ బి ఏబుల్ టు స్పీక్ ట్రూత్ ఆల్వేస్. ఓకే, వీ మస్ట్ నాట్ ఎంటర్టైన్ లైస్ ఇన్ అవర్ లైఫ్స్. అబద్ధాలు మాట్లాడకూడదు, హానెస్ట్ గా ఉండాలి. విజ్డమ్ అంటే ది యాక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది వే ఆఫ్ ది ఎబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ థింకింగ్ వైజ్లీ, వైజ్ డెసిషన్స్ తీసుకోవడం. ఏదన్నా ఒక ఇష్యూ వచ్చినప్పుడు బ్రాడ్ గా ఆలోచించడం, పెద్ద మనిషిలాగా బిహేవ్ చేయడం. సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ విజ్డమ్. అంటే నాలెడ్జ్ కి బియాండ్, ఉన్న నాలెడ్జ్ సరిపోదు, విజ్డమ్ కావాలి, దీనికి లౌక్యం తెలియాలి. సో విజ్డమ్, ఇంటెగ్రిటీ, అందరినీ కలుపుకోవడం, యూనిఫైడ్, యునైటెడ్. ఓకే, సో we must have integrity and justice. Justice is very much important. కరెక్ట్ గా డెసిషన్ తీసుకోవడం, ఎవరిని ఇబ్బంది పెట్టకుండా అందరికీ న్యాయం చేసేలాగా మనం రైట్ డెసిషన్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, కో ఎగ్జిస్టెన్స్ మీన్స్ అందరినీ కలుపుకొని పోవడం. వాడు అది కదా మనకెందుకు, వీడు అది కదా మనకెందుకు, ఇలా ఉండకూడదు. కో ఎగ్జిస్టెన్స్, అందరితో మింగిల్ అయిపోవాలి, ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవ్వాలి, నీ తోటి విద్యార్థులతో, నీ నైబర్స్తో. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ కో ఎగ్జిస్టెన్స్. సర్వీస్ చేయాలి, యాజ్ ఐ మెన్షన్డ్ ఇన్ ది బిగినింగ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ క్లాస్. help others. Helping others is another value. Devotion, as I told you, you must be devotional, you must be spiritual. Okay, దానికి కొంత స్పేస్ ఇవ్వాలి మీ లైఫ్ లో. అన్లెస్ యు ఆర్ డివోషనల్, అన్లెస్ యు ఆర్ స్పిరిచువల్, అబవ్ ఆల్ వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ డూ, దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆఫ్ నో యూస్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆఫ్ మియర్ వేస్ట్. ఓకే, అండ్ కంటెంట్మెంట్ మీన్స్ whatever the thing we have, we must satisfy with that. ఉన్నదాంతో మనం ఆనందంగా సంతోషంగా గడపాలి. పక్క వాళ్ళని చూసి మనకు అది లేదు ఇది లేదు అనుకోకూడదు. వాట్ ఎవర్ వీ హ్యావ్, we must be in a position to satisfy with that. That is nothing but the state of happiness, the state of satisfaction with whatever we have is nothing but contentment. Okay, so these are the moral values, 10 universal values that everyone has to follow in their lives. And there are more values, you can say more values apart from these 10 universal values. Okay, there are more values like triple R. I ever say, I mean most of you might be knowing, especially my counseling students might be knowing triple R. I ever used to use this word triple R: respect, responsibility and reception. These are the key values that everyone has to have. Respect your teachers, respect your parents, respect your friends. Okay, and you must be responsible for the thing, for whatever you are doing. You must be in a position to take the responsibility. You must be in a position to take the